everybody, it's Nicole. I just wanted to go over what I'm doing with this drawing. I have gotten this far, as you probably saw in my video that you just watched. I had to stop because I started to notice a lot of mistakes that I have made, and I don't know exactly where my mistakes started, but I wanted to look at that with you, and that way you can see what my thought process is at this point and what I need to do to fix it. Okay, so you can see my drawing is going on here, and I think I'm having a lot of fun doing it. But you probably saw in my video that I had trouble with this first line. It's the very first line is in my Notion box to get the whole, everything is all fitting into here. But this may be a little bit crooked, and my problem is I'm using a skewer, and I noticed that it has a bow, like a little bit of a curve. It's very slight. I don't know if you notice it. It's very slight in here, and it should be more straight. So I'm gonna have to go into my collection of skewers and find the straightest one to see if I can continue doing well. So it goes up just a little bit right there. So I was constantly trying to fix it. So you can see that the line was up here before, then I moved it down. And so this is not perfect. So what happened is, I think what I noticed is that this line, like from here to here, like this thickness of the arm is way off. I'm probably a good couple centimeters off right there. And so, and I'm thinking one of these two lines is wrong. I'm thinking this one's wrong, which made this one wrong. And this line is also a little off because it's not perfectly horizontal. So that kind of threw me a little bit. And it should be. I should be down up here, and it's messed up right there. So I have a lot of mistakes in here, and this is why I wanted to stop at this point while it's all still lines before I even started putting in detail, like with the fingers, even making those lines. I started trying to do the lines here, but I didn't get very far. So I have a lot of mistakes I need to fix, and a lot of measuring and checking and moving, which is, you know, this is part of the process, and this is why I do this, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. It's just, sometimes it gets a little frustrating, but it's important to remember that it's all in the process. It's once you do it, then it's more rewarding when it's done, and it looks great, but you want it to be rewarding, so that's why we do lots of checks. And I should have been checking this before. See, it's a little off right there. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Let me know what you think so far. I think it's going pretty well, and then hopefully start to build up some more of these real shapes of the fingers and the book, and definitely the arms, and then we'll be able to move on into rendering. Thanks.